Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I'm going to share what will soon become your new obsession. So these are the Unsolved Case Files, and they are so much fun. So this is the second one that we've completed, and I will be purchasing more for sure because it's a great time. So what this is a fake murder case. You get everything inside of this cool folder to solve the mystery. Everything comes nicely sealed. You have the victim, so you get to learn their backstory, and you have to figure out how they died, who is the murderer, and find holes in the case. Now, the attention to detail will blow your mind. I am so fascinated by this. It excites me to look through this folder. So there's crime scene pictures, there's newspaper clippings, you have maps, an incident report, suspect interviews, receipts. What I love is that every report has their own unique handwriting, their own unique style of speaking. So we have such a good time reading through these. We put accents to the voices, we do the whole bit. Now, this can take you quite a while. You could speed through and not read all of the details, but if you're reading every single paper, front and back, it's definitely going to take you 3 or 4 hours, I would personally say, because there's a lot to unpack. You have 3 different objectives. So the first one you can find on the inside of your folder. When you think you know the answer, you scan the little QR code here and it will take you to a questionnaire where you can tell them which pieces of evidence led you to your conclusion. If you're right, you get to open the next envelope and find your next objective. You work your way through until you finally uncover who the murderer is. This particular case was Veronica Falcone. It dated back to 1947. All of the pictures are black and white. Everything looks kind of old. It's not super easy, but it's not impossible. And the best part is if you don't mark up the actual folder itself, you can share it with a friend. So we keep a notepad, we take notes, but you do feel like a real detective uncovering all of the little pieces of evidence. It would make a great gift, a great game night with friends, with family, but I highly recommend it. I know you'll love it too, and that's my point of view.